everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna continue my zodiac sign makeup series with Taurus. As you can see, the colors of the Taurus is green and pink, so I'm gonna more focusing on those two colors. First I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime, then my Garnier BB Cream. I'm using the medium because my skin color is a little bit darker, but it's not the perfect at winter. It's more perfect than summer for me. Then I'm using my eye magic with Imagic, I don't know, flash color palette with the pink color, and I'm just doing this sculpting thing that I usually do with the darker color, some contouring. I was looking for this word and I couldn't figure out earlier. Okay, so I was doing this. I like how it turned out. Yes, and I'm using a beauty blender, but I'm not blending it, I'm tapping it. I love to use it more, and I just recently found out that lots of makeup artists use these pink colors to outline in the face for ballet dancers. Now I'm using the white to add some highlights. I'm not usually using different colors or try to minimize using different colors when I'm doing this type of makeups, when there are some specific colors that I need to focusing on, but I'm just doing a little highlighting to make the pink pop more and to make this look more interesting and more colorful. Then I'm gonna using the green color, as you can see here, to make the base, the darker base of my eyes with this green. Have I said something else before? I don't know. So green, yes, I'm just doing it like this. Now I'm using my NYX In Your Element Air Palette, that how they call it, pastel green color, just to fix this paint and to add a little more on my eyelids and under my eyes to make it more interesting. And then I switched back to the pink to make my eyebrows because they were stronger and not looking so weird. Then I'm using this green metallic eyeshadow as a highlighter. I love using this as a highlighter and it looks super nice. Then I'm using this green eye and lip liner, and I'm just using as an eye and lip liner. So I'm gonna line my eyes, because with these big colorful things I like to make winged eyeliners because it breaks a little bit and makes it more interesting, but tone it down a little bit or feel it like this. Then I'm lining out my lips because then they look more beautiful with a good lining and with a good matching color. And I'm using again my body and face paint palette just for doing this. I love that palette so much because I can use it so much for a lot of reasons and they're gonna look super nice. And I'm adding again this pastel green eyeshadow on my lips to fix the paint, because the paint is goes everywhere always. I'm using again the pink color to color my eyelashes to this pink color, and they look super nice. As you can see, it starts to look pink. If I do it more, a little bit more, then it builds up to a beautiful pink eyelashes, but I don't have time and I'm not that patient to build up a beautiful big pink eyelashes. And then I added some accessories, jewelry, and as you can saw my transformation. If you like this video, now don't forget to subscribe. There's lots of links in the description that you should check out. Please leave something in the comment section. See you next video. Bye!